Parr loved to run faster than anyone in town. He'd sprint through the park with a bound and a bounce, a joyful, lively sound. One sunny afternoon, found a shiny stone. It sparkled in the sun, and just had to own. He picked it up with delight, but soon a terrible scowl, for the stone began to shout, "I'm not for sale." Was quite surprised by the stone's unexpected voice. He asked, "Who are you? Why do you choose this course?" The stone replied with grace, "I'm a magic gemstone, you see, and I cannot be bought. I was meant to be free." Felt a pang of guilt, but he couldn't let it go. "But I'll take good care of you. I promise you will grow," said with a hopeful heart. The stone agreed and stayed, and took it home with pride to share its magic each day. From that day on, learned that some things are not for sale, but with care and love, he found a truly precious tale. So remember when you play, to treat everything with care, for sometimes what you find may be magic without compare. And he learned a lesson that he'd never forget, to cherish each new treasure, a truly priceless set. The end.